Okay, so we have here a Worcester boiler. The thermostat is not working fine because it doesn't reach the right temperature for the room. So we're gonna replace that with a new one. But actually we need to replace also this part. I'm gonna show you how to do it and how you can pair the thermostat with the boiler again. So this is the part we're gonna replace over there. And this is the new thermostat. So first of all, we're gonna remove the screw. We're gonna remove from the both side. There we go. Now we can just lift easy up and remove the old one. Okay, we're gonna attach the new one. Same. And we're gonna put the new one in. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna put now the battery for the thermostat, and we can see it's on. Now I'm gonna show you how to pair the thermostat. So we're gonna keep pressing until this is flashing. We're gonna have advice and menu all back together. There we go. Installer. Radio setting and pair. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we're gonna put the thermostat on and off to see how it's working. So now we're gonna cut off the boiler. We're gonna put it back on. And there we go. Now the boiler is gonna start again. And everything is working fine. Now we're gonna put back the boiler cover and we're gonna place back the screw. And after that we can just place the thermostat wherever you like, on the wall, next to the bedroom,